guys, today, we are going to use my new pen tablet from VEIKK. When I'm starting my digital art journey and don't have an iPad to use before, I used pen tablet. And it's really helpful. This pen tablet from VEIKK is aesthetically pleasing aside from its own use. VEIKK S640 features a 8190 to levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 tilt function, which makes the lines transition from thin to thick will be fluid and precisely under your control. The sensitivity and pressure settings on the pen, paired with the freedom of movement using a stylus instead of a mouse or trackpad, allow for much more precise changes. It is suitable for photo editing, sketching, shading as well as creating stylized paintings. So, let's test it. Normally, we start by sketching our outline, so do that, depending on how you want, in what style or technique. And if you are a beginner, you can pause this video and learn how to sketch with me by watching this video. Sketching digitally is harder than in traditional, and if you still want to continue, you can watch how I roughly sketch my outline. After that, I proceed on putting the base color by midtone. There's a tonal value from light, mid and to dark. To assess the midtone on your reference, choose the light tone to dark, then put the mid-tone as your base or as your flat color. With this you can avoid putting a lot of colors and it's unnecessary. After putting this base color, you'll proceed with adding some shadows. They're either light or dark, but be careful with this. Only add colors that are close to your reference colors. Add all shadow colors and light tone in one layer. This technique is applicable to me, adding colors in one layer then blend it gradually after. As you can see, I changed my brush to dry ink to airbrush to have a consistent color and not so flat color. Airbrush is important to use to create a high level of realism. I'm only using few brushes and airbrush is one of them. In coloring, it is important that you know how to control the sizing of your brushes whenever you add colors. You don't just add, okay? Be mindful with this. In this part, you will learn how to blend colors. How is it done and what brush to use? I used this blending brush and this is available for free. You can download this on the community where Infinite Painter put the free brushes, or if you can't find it, it's available on my Infinite Painter brush set on the description box. How to blend? People always ask me this, but some people really don't use this tool. They just use airbrush and in that way, they just blend it right through it. Blending is important on my technique wherein I add too much color, or even if I add one color I still blend it. But you know, I'm not the person who focuses only on blending. Blending colors means creating a gentle transition from one to the other color. So, it's important to know when to stop blending and airbrushing. You don't want your artwork that is too smooth and to the point it's not realistic.
Woo!